Most people believe that poor eyesight is just a part of getting older. But what if I told you that there are natural ways in which you can improve your eyesight even after 50? Our eyes are among the most complex organs in our body, and they are also some of the most sensitive. Over time, factors like diet, lifestyle, and even the amount of sunlight we get can have a huge impact on our vision. Why glasses and surgeries are common solutions? Today, we will focus on natural strategies that can help you see better, feel better, and even reverse some of the most common eye problems. Let's start by understanding what causes poor eyesight. Inside your retina are special cells called cones. These cones are responsible for color vision, seeing in daylight, and picking up fine details. What is fascinating is that cones are packed with mitochondria, the tiny power plant of our cell. Mitochondria produce the energy that your eyes need to function. As we age, our mitochondria become less efficient, leading to gradual loss of vision. This is why you might notice needing more light to read, trouble seeing contrast, more glare at night, difficulty in seeing fine details. Other causes of poor eyesight include blood sugar problem. High blood sugar damages the tiny blood vessels in your eyes, leading to a condition known as diabetic retinopathy. Another one is oxidative stress. Free radicals can damage the cells in your eyes, leading to a condition like cataracts and macular degeneration. Poor nutrition. Deficiency in key nutrients like vitamin A, lithium, and omega-3 fatty acid can weaken your eyes. Another one is chronic inflammation. Inflammation can damage the delicate tissues in your eyes. Genetics. Some people are more prone to their eye problems due to their gene, but lifestyle still plays a huge role. Here are some of the common eye problems people face as they age. Number one is cataract. This occurs when the eye lens becomes cloudy, making it harder to see clearly. This is often related to oxidative stress, aging, and sometimes poor nutrition. Glaucoma. This is a group of eye conditions that damage the optic nerve, often due to high pressure in the eyes. If left untreated, it can lead to vision loss. Age-related macular degeneration. This affects your macula, the part of your retina responsible for sharp central vision. Is a leading cause of blindness in older adults. Diabetic retinopathy. High blood sugar can damage the blood vessel in your retina, leading to vision loss. Dry eye syndrome. As we age, our eyes may produce fewer tears, leading to dryness, irritation, and blurred vision. Eye strain and digital fatigue. Spending hours on screen can cause eye strain, headache, and blurred vision. Here is how to reverse vision problem naturally. Red light therapy. Recent studies shows that exposing your eyes to safe low-level red light around 670 nanometers for just a few minutes a day can boost mitochondrial function in your retina. Intermittent fasting and a ketogenic diet can trigger autophagy, a process where your body cleanses damaged cells, including your eyes. And don't forget, quality sleep is essential for eye repair and overall health. This can improve contrast sensitivity and overall vision, especially in older adults. This is how to do this. Use a red light therapy device designed for eyes and follow the manufacturer's instruction. Never look directly at the sun or any unsafe light source. Keep your eyes closed on it for 3 minutes. Infrared can penetrate through your eyelids very easily, but you can try this once a week. Exercise, intermittent fasting, and sleep. Regular exercise increases blood flow to your eyes, delivering more oxygen and nutrients. Focus on far vision. Modern life has us staring at the screen all day, which can strain our eyes and weaken our distance vision. Every 20 minutes, look at something at least 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This simple habit, known as the 20-20-20 rule, can dramatically reduce digital eye strain. Combat genetic susceptibility with vitamin A. If you have a family history of poor eyesight, make sure you are getting enough vitamin A. It is crucial for the health of your retina and night vision. You can get this from liver, eggs, dairy, carrots, and dark leafy greens. Increase lutein and zeaxanthin. Lutein and zeaxanthin are powerful antioxidants found in leafy greens like spinach and kale. They protect your eyes from oxidative damage and support the macula, the part of your eyes responsible for sharp vision. Triggers autophagy to eliminate floaters. Floaters are caused by the debris in the vitreous humor of your eyes. Intermittent fasting and a low carbohydrate diet can help your body clear out this debris through autophagy, a natural cellular cleanup process. Vitamin D and B3 for glaucoma. High doses of vitamin D3 and vitamin B3 support optic nerve health and reduce eye pressure in glaucoma. NAC for cataract. This is a powerful antioxidant that can help prevent and even reverse the early stages of cataract by reducing oxidative stress in the lens. But talk to your doctor before any NAC supplement. Saffron for macular degeneration. Saffron isn't just a spice. It's been shown in studies to improve vision in people with age-related macular degeneration. Add a small amount of saffron to your diet or look for saffron supplements. Use a reading light. Always use a good reading light to reduce eye strain, especially in the evening. Sunlight hack. Spending time outdoors and getting natural sunlight help regulate your circadian rhythm and support healthy eye function. Spend at least 20 minutes outside each day, but never look directly at the sun. Desk reset. Take regular break from staring at the screen. Stand up, stretch, and look around the room every hour to relax your eyes and body. Address dry eyes with vitamin A and B1. Dry eyes are common as we age. Vitamin A and B1 help keep your eyes moist and comfortable. Eat sweet potatoes, carrots, eggs, whole grain and nuts. Avoid advanced glycation end products. These are harmful compounds found when food is cooked at high temperature, like frying, grilling. This can damage your eyes over time. Stick to gentle cooking method like steaming, boiling, or slow cooking, and avoid processed food. Here are some best food for your eyes. Eat more of leafy greens, egg, fatty fish, carrot, and sweet potatoes, nut and seeds, berries, citrus fruit, legume. Don't smoke. Smoking increases your risk of cataract, macular degeneration, and optic nerve damage. Manage your blood sugar. Wear sunglasses and protect your eyes from UV damage when you are outdoors. Get regular eye exam and stay hydrated. Remember, your eyesight is precious and you have more control over it than you might think. By making simple changes to your diet, lifestyle, and daily habits, you can support your vision and even reverse some of the effects of aging. Indeed, nature heals and learning never ends. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye Harriet, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.